Hello friends, this is Koushik, your German language trainer, and in this session let us learn about the usage of adjectives in a sentence. And I welcome you all to KoolSchool. Friends, as you already know, adjective is a word which describes a noun, right? It can be used in two different ways. The basic way would be the usage of adjective in a sentence with sein, with the verb sein. That means to be. Sein means to be. So that is one way of using adjective. The other way will be an advanced way, that is placing the adjective before a noun. In the advanced way, the ending of adjective changes according to the noun. So the advanced way of using adjective I will be covering in another session. So now let us understand the basic usage of adjective with the verb sein. So adjective mit sein, that means adjective with to be. The verb sein means to be, and this is how you should write adjective, with k in place of c, and you should not end with e. You should eliminate e in German. So here is an example usage of adjective with the verb sein. So to say the Wohnung is big, I mean the apartment is big, in German it is Die Wohnung ist groß. Die Wohnung ist groß. That means the apartment or the flat is Wohnung, as you already know from my earlier session. So the is big. Ist means is, and groß means big. Yeah. So here is the noun. Wohnung is the noun, and this groß is an adjective which is describing this noun. This is one way of using an adjective to describe the noun with the usage of sein here. So this is third person singular of sein is ist. Okay. So this is the verb conjugation of sein. Let us understand the various ways of using this verb sein according to different pronouns. This I have already covered in my earlier session. In case if you have missed it, please go through this here. So the first person is I am. To say I am is ich bin, that is first person singular. Second person singular is you are in English. Here you should say du bist. So here it will be to say du bist gut, like you are good. So that is du bist gut. So gut is the adjective good to describe, which is describing the person, like, or a pronoun. So and the next is he, she, it is sie, es, ist. This ist I have used here to say die Wohnung ist groß. The next is we are is wir sind. You all are is ihr seid. And they are is sie sind. This smallest z is they, and you with respect capital S z is sie sind. You are, it is sie sind. So this is the verb conjugation of sein. So you have to use this conjugation according to the pronoun. Yeah. And here are the different adjectives which you normally use in order to describe a house or a flat or an apartment. So here I have used an adjective groß. Let us also understand various adjectives which we can use for house. So as you know, this is groß. Groß means big. Opposite of this is klein. Klein means small. Groß means big. Klein is small. And to say the apartment is quiet, die Wohnung ist ruhig. It will be ruhig. Ruhig means quiet. And if to say the apartment is loud, is die Wohnung ist laut. Opposite of ruhig is laut, means loud. And next is hell. Hell means bright. Hell. Opposite of this adjective hell is dunkel. Dunkel means dark. Dunkel. And if the apartment is expensive, you should say die Wohnung ist teuer. Die Wohnung ist teuer. Teuer means expensive. Opposite of teuer is billig. Billig means inexpensive or cheap. Billig. So this is how you should use various adjectives in a sentence involving a noun and the verb sein. I mean the proper conjugation of sein. So thank you so much guys for following. See you in my next session with yet another topic. Choose.